Hello everyone. Welcome to this Bold Reports tutorial. In this video, I will guide you through a step-by-step process of installing the Bold Reports server in a Windows environment using a MySQL database. Before diving into the installation process, let me give you a brief introduction. Bold Reports Server is a powerful self-service reporting solution designed to simplify creating, managing, and distributing interactive data visualization reports. The platform offers flexible data integration from various sources, including SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and REST APIs. It also supports various hosting environments, such as Docker, Kubernetes, Linux, Azure App Service, and Windows Server, making it a comprehensive solution for all your reporting needs. Before proceeding with the installation, ensure that you have the required hardware and software. I have included a link to the hardware and software requirements documentation in this video's description. Let me start by downloading the Report Server application. To download the application, log into the Bold Reports accounts page. If you don't have an account, you can start your 30-day free trial by clicking the Try It Free button. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the Cloud Bold Reports Server free tier page. Here you can explore the features of Bold Reports Report Server without installing or setting up any apps on your system. This allows you to experience its capabilities instantly by creating and sharing reports. Next, open the Accounts page by clicking the View Account option. Select Downloads in the Downloads and Keys group in the left navigation bar. The files are available in exe and zip formats. I download the exe format file by clicking its Download button. To install Report Server, you must enable IIS on your machine. I have shared a link to documentation on how to enable IIS in this video's description. Next, install the downloaded Report Server application. To run the setup file, double-click the downloaded.exe file. The Bold Reports Enterprise Reporting Setup dialog box will open. To view the license terms and conditions, click License Terms and Conditions. Agree to the terms by selecting the checkbox. And click Next to proceed to the Install Settings screen. The installation location field indicates where the application will be installed and where related files will be copied. The server application will be hosted on a Microsoft IIS web server. The port number field shows the port on which the application will be hosted. And the site name field displays the site name hosted in the IIS server. By default, additional settings are enabled. Create Start Menu Group and Create Desktop Shortcut are used to create shortcut icons after installation. If you clear these options, you can start the application later by searching for it in Windows. Change firewall settings to allow access to external devices enables communication between the hosting device and other external devices over the network. Click Next to proceed to the Deploy Chromium Packages page. By default, the Download Chromium Packages option is selected. This is used for exporting images and PDF functionalities in reports and widgets. Click Next to navigate to the Deploy Data Hub page. Bold Data Hub helps you load data from various data sources into PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, and Apache Doris. Click Next to navigate to Consent to Deploy Client Libraries. To connect with Oracle, PostgreSQL, Snowflake, MySQL, and Google BigQuery data, agree to their license terms and conditions since they are third-party data connectors. I select the Select All option to install all client libraries. This will extract the required packages. Click Install to begin the installation process. Since Microsoft IIS is the web server, you will see the application added under Sites in the IIS Manager. Here, Bold Reports Enterprise Reporting is the site name. API is a sub-application containing all the APIs for the Bold Reports server. An ETL service, Bold Data Hub, is used to load data from various sources into the data store warehouse. Reporting, a sub-application, represents the Bold Reports server. UMS, User Management Server, is used to manage users of Bold applications such as Bold Reports and Bold BI. Windows authentication is used as the authentication type for connecting to a SQL Server database. After the client library's installation process, you can launch the application by clicking Launch Application. Then activate the Bold Reports account. To proceed with the installation, you must activate your Bold Reports account. This can be done by using the Login to Activate Account button or an Unlock Key file. If you work in a secure environment and cannot connect outside the firewall or to an external server, click Upload your Unlock Key file, and then the Here link to get the Unlock Key from your account. In the Downloads and Keys group, click Claim License Key. Here, expand the Get Unlock Key file section and download the Unlock Key file. Next, upload the key file. Since I already have a Bold Reports account, I will activate the account by clicking the Login to Activate Account button, which will open the User Control Administration page. If you have more than one portal license, the Select Your Portal License dialog will appear. You need to choose a portal license from the list. Since I have only one license, I skip this step. Next, I will create an administrator user for the report server. Fill in the required fields, and click Next to proceed to the database configuration mode. The first option is Shared Database Mode. In this mode, all tenants share a single database, with data logically separated using unique identifiers. This approach optimizes resource utilization, reduces infrastructure costs, and simplifies maintenance while maintaining data segregation. It is well suited for scalability and efficient management. Only the PostgreSQL database is supported in this mode. The second option is Separate Database Mode. In this mode, every tenant has its own dedicated database, ensuring that data is separate. This improves security, allows independent management, and enhances performance for each tenant. PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL, MySQL, and Oracle databases are supported in this mode. I am using the Separate Database Mode, and click next to the Database Configuration page. This page allows you to configure a single database or separate databases for Bold ID and Bold Reports. The Bold ID database stores information about sites, users, and access permissions. The Bold Reports database stores reports, users, and resource access permissions. You can choose between the two configuration modes. Simple Mode, which configures a single database for both Bold ID and Bold Reports, and Advanced Mode, which configures separate databases for Bold ID and Bold Reports. You can choose Microsoft SQL Server / Azure SQL, PostgreSQL, MySQL, or Oracle as the server type. Based on your selection, the form will refresh, displaying fields related to the chosen database. In this demo, I will proceed with Simple Mode and select the MySQL server type. Next, I fill the necessary fields. The port number field displays the port that the server is listening to for connections. New Database allows you to create a new database on the selected server. Existing Database lets you choose an existing database on the selected server. By default, New Database is selected. I enter the database name as Bold Report Server Data. You can modify the ID table's prefix and server table's prefix values if needed. These prefixes will appear in your table names within the database. The Enable SSL option provides a secure connection between the report server application and database. I proceed with the default values and click Next to install the app. Once the deployment is complete, you will be able to manage sites and create reports. Click the Go to Reports option. On the Reports page, sample reports will be automatically added. Click a report and it will be rendered. In this video, I have shown you how to install the Bold Report Server application in a Windows environment using MySQL database. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.